Lento ye-body shaming guys inanifuna ukuyeka. Ngibuke ivideo la kamu uyadansa qashiwe. She's making her own money. Unemoto yakhe, apartment ahlala kuyona ngenyanga urenda more than 10,000. But nina abangela social media niwarit nomkhaba wakhe. Ubani okhuluma ngemkhaba yomabeni. Cause I'm sure when asisokhulumayo or wena bhuti okhulumayo ubody shame enye intombazane uma wakho nomkhaba kanayo ifika. So najwayela labo sis laba buya le eChina uyowenza imizimba le mgunyathi. Kaze stop it akukho right. Ngikhuluma ngomuntu operformayo. Ukama uqashe izingane ezi under 18 zimdansele ama back dancers akhe. Uwakhokhela imali awadansi mahala but when you busy worried. Wenza u10k probably nge-hour ukuyoperforma. Lo 10k ungakaze wena ungene kwi-bank account yakho. Yindaba sibe isizwe simbi ehleze sifuna ukunakile into ebhedayo ngabantu emzimbeni yabantu. It's like slender. Everybody knows ukuthi slender amabele akho most of ilenda. Amabele akho azowa because there's no fat, there's no muscle. Amabele ayawa. Mase uthi wena hawu amabele alele azoma kanjani umuntu eyislender because if you're skinny you don't have any muscles, you don't have any fat on your boobies. Ulindele amabele ame kanjani? Uyazi kuneyingane ezintombi into ezaba umhlanga but ezinamabele awile. Abazalwe bethe beqala ukuhlosa amabele alwa but nina nela mentality ukuthi uma uvirgina mele ube nengcengce emile. Mele imingcengce sibone ngengono ukuthi okay wena uyintombi. Akhona lokho nengqondo ebhedayo. Yazi ngiyibuka le video ngithi mina nabonga abantu abanye abantu bala eMzansi la kubhebisa odumo. As much as I understand ukuthi usemdala manje usegainile weight amela agqoke ama shorts, if yena she feel comfortable in her own body and if a dancer efake lento ayifakile and ezizwe ukuthi right yena msalofu, so be it. Why when you worried about umzimba wakho ebisodumo? Ubani wena kubhebisodumo? Because ebisodumo nje performa lapha uqashiwe. Uyasebenza. She's making money ukuthi asupport ifamily yakhe. When uhleli lapho mhlamba usebenza ukhola u350 ungena la TikTok uzobulela self esteem abanye abantwana just because your life is miserable. Sonke wonke umuntu emhlabeni khona deal naye, even myself or anyone. Ungabona sifela u TikTok and smile and sinika abantu ama advice and think ukuthi okay right. Every individual khona into ayifaceayo and then when ufike ke wena ke ungafuni uphume ekhali ngekho right. Usufuna ufika la ku TikTok uzoshaya comment ebolile so that everyone ezofila ngalendlela wena ofila ngayo. Stop it guys, yabheda leyo nto. Mina ngizonitshela ngoba ngisabi. Sengabuya kenzela kumina ntisho video yami nishle show yona bheda guys in. Yekani ubuka into wrong ngabantu. Anazi ukuthi iyodwa ewisumuntu emhlabeni. Iyodwa ewisumuntu emhlabeni pride. If une pride ngeke uzuye indawo empilweni. Wonke amajene wahambayo they'll have short legs because une pride. Ne criticize abantu ngemzimba yabo. Ngiya understand ukuthi into ngaphakathi eshow ukuthi nami I'm not perfect, nami ngiyabuka ukuthi mina bengamele la kwenza ukuthi but kube inner voice. There's no need ukuthi ngingene on TikTok ngicomment umbhedo. Ukamo, she's making a lot of money. She's beautiful, she got a sexy body, fresh. Uhambe ngemoto yakhe la apartment yakhe. Senime ngomkhaba because ngifuna into enzomenza ukuthi imdestroy. Senime nomkhaba unefika yini wena? Umuntu efika wena hamba kuma wakhe umphamise isisi ubone ukuthi unefika yini? Nonyoko benabanawo amafika. So why ntsuke nyingane ukuthi unefika? And guys, another thing, we won't be young forever. Yabantu bengina 20 something na 30 something after 10 years bese ngina 40. Now noma ngina 21 now mele lokuguga age into ngeke sibalekele. So musa abanakho manje wena ibone ngazi ukuthi usa right uzakho usa right and think umzimba wakho hlala unjalo. So ke simelele uku-age ngeze kube mnandi nawe usunemxhiliba la. Sebethe abantu mbukeli ukuthi babanemxhiliba la ebusweni. Aliphatheni kahle guys ngikeqa.
Hello Mzansi, welcome back to Umkosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Uya trend Ukamo Mphela, the singer and dancer, was dragged for gaining weight. People are saying ukuthi bayaqala kubona umuntu pregnant ajiva ngalendlela. So people are saying ukuthi maybe she's pregnant because akhula ngemkhapha. Siyaqoqa ukuthi Ukamo Mphela makafika egamini she was a bit young and umthemba bowusasemncane ngalesiya sikhathi. So now people are dragging her ukuthi pregnant. Yay, so gaining weight, she needs to do something about her weight. Yay. So abantu abaninje they were just dragging and bashing okay, and people really like to talk about other people's weight, and that's not cool guys. It's really not cool because na yilo muntu suka tibona and usuke angakuthandi logo ngaye. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'm signing out. Goodbye.